In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix connection timed out in Apex Legends on Steam. If Apex Legends keeps timing out when you try to connect, don't worry. This issue is often related to your network, corrupted game files, or a service interfering with the connection. In this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right away. First, restart your network. Begin by turning off your modem or router, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This helps refresh your internet connection and can clear up temporary network issues that may be stopping Apex Legends from connecting properly. After that, restart your PC as well. A full restart can help close background processes and reset anything that might be affecting Steam or the game. If you usually play over Wi-Fi, it's also a good idea to try a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Ethernet is generally more stable than wireless, and it can reduce packet loss or interruptions that may lead to connection timeouts. Next, verify the game files in Steam. Open Steam and find Apex Legends in your library. Right-click the game, then choose Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and check whether anything is missing, damaged, or not installed correctly. If there's a corrupted file causing the game to fail when connecting to servers, this process can replace it automatically. Depending on your system and the size of the files being checked, this may take a few minutes, so just let it finish completely before launching the game again. Another important step is to disable any VPNs or proxies. VPN services and proxy connections can sometimes interfere with online games by rerouting your traffic or adding extra delay. That can lead to timeout errors, especially in multiplayer games like Apex Legends, where a stable connection is essential. If you have a VPN running in the background, turn it off completely before starting the game. The same goes for any proxy service you may have enabled on your system. Once they're disabled, relaunch Steam and try opening Apex Legends again. These steps are simple, but they solve the problem for many players. Restarting your connection, checking your game files, and removing possible network interference are all solid ways to troubleshoot this issue without changing advanced settings. Try them one by one, and after each step, launch the game again to see if the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into Apex Legends without the connection timed out error.